And of course, para sa ating mga kababayan na gustong magpadala ng mga balikbayan boxes sa Pilipinas, ito ang offer sa atin ng Loricots Forwarder. Send your balikbayan boxes to the Philippines through Loricots Forwarder, the fast and reliable forwarding company in Vietnam. And not only that, starting noong August, sinimula na po natin ang ating mga pa-promo na ating gaganapin sa December. So, yung mga nagpadala ng mga balikbayan boxes, you have a chance to win these amazing prizes natin sa atin ng Loricots Forwarders. So, first prize, we have $1,000. We have second prize ng $500. Third prize ng $300 at 10 lucky winners ng $100 each and 10 winners of regular boxes. And ang regular boxes na yan ay equivalent din po ng $100 to $160 depending on your location in the Philippines.